Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and if you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here, followed by hitting the notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a return subscriber, hey, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. Okay, so this is long overdue. I know most of you probably already know how to do this, or maybe you don't. Again, even though I'm late with the videos, I'm still not going to let that stop me from making my video. You know what I'm saying? Because this is long overdue. Okay. What I'm going to be doing today is customizing my iPhone. My iOS 14. And yeah, let's get started. So I already downloaded. Yeah, you could say downloaded. Like I already got the photos of the icons that I want. And I watched a tutorial of how to do stuff. I already knew how to do stuff, but I wanted to make sure. So, okay. Let's get into this. I'm going to be looking down my phone. That's why. But don't worry. There's going to be a screen right here to show you. Did I turn off? Okay. Do not disturb is on. Hopefully nobody calls me. Okay. Let's go to shortcuts. I'm weird. I deleted shortcuts and then I added it back again. Okay. So you press the app button up there. You see me. You press add action. You press scripting or whatever, how you stipulating or whatever. You press open app. You choose. Go here. You go to the Instagram. You press the three dots, and then you press add to home screen. And then I'm gonna add a photo. So we're gonna zoom in. Okay, let's go to home. See, that's how it looks. What else? What? I hate when I do that. Let's just go here. Done. You press that. Add. Who's next? Who am I gonna add next? What about YouTube? I know y'all are gonna ask me, what are these frames called? They're called neon green. So whatever app you want, you just type in, like for example, neon, not even neon green. Don't type in neon green. Just type in neon Twitter logo and you'll get it. And that's it. Okay, now let's just do the widgets. So it says small widget, large widget. I think I want the medium because I like how it's just that's on the home screen, just like that. So every time I'm looking, I just, even though it says it over there. Apparently they said you can move everything over, but yeah, we're not doing that. I will do it after. Oh my god, it's already at 22. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, oh my god, the color widgets. Even though I already have the time, whatever. We're in quarantine, so I haven't been able to take nice photos. Says your own text. Oh, your own text. Okay, so I'm gonna put my own text and I'm gonna put Jay's World because you already know. I was trying to set part 2. So these ones are downloaded apps. The color, I'll put the link down in the description. There's a Widget Smith, Color Widget, and Photo Widget. You can, I'm not doing it. That's where you create a photo and you can just create an album to go back and forth. But again, we're in quarantine, so I don't have good pictures right now, so that's why. I am back. I finally put everything the way I wanted it. It's not really the way I want it because it opened funny. So let me show y'all. This is the beginning. As you can see, it says Saturday, November 14th. I just put Jay's World. That's an ugly picture. I just wanted to test it out. I don't know how to change the color. This says the theme, which is down here. I guess the color is forever going to be white. I don't know. Let me get out of here before I mess up everything. As you can see, again, it says Saturday, November 14th, and then it says the time, 6:17. Sorry, I put the clock here. I was gonna change the widget for that, but forget it. There's YouTube Studio. There's the files. I need that. There's the photo widget. There's the maps. There's the camera. There's the photos, weather. There's the YouTube, and it still goes into that. I don't know why it goes into that. When I downloaded this, it just didn't work, but it's okay. Who cares? I'm gonna delete that. I don't need all of that. Snapchat, it still goes into that, but it takes long. There's the widget, as you see, Widget Smith. There's Twitter, it takes time to go. There's Instagram right there. There's that. There's my thing. I made this like this. There's that. I made this as a photo and thing. I know I should start doing that for all of my stuff, but I'm gonna get confused because I'm not used to having it like that. There's all that. I made another one too. There's another photo and whatever. I don't know why I made two. I kind of put all the important stuff on this side, and then what I don't really use, like I do use these. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this out first, see if I like it, and if I don't like those special wedges, this thing that I have, I'm just gonna delete all those and just have this all at once and go. And then there's that. Some of these apps I don't even need, but I just left it just in case. And yeah, that is how I customized my iOS 14. Okay, and yeah, if you guys like this, then please give it a thumbs up. Phone is at 47%. Oh my god, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I think I'm gonna try to make a next video right now because I still have time, I still have energy. All right, bye y'all.